Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to International College of Technical Education. Hope you all are doing good. So today we will be discussing about the brief history of quality control, that how quality control started. So the historical review of quality control. In 1924, W.A. Showert of Bell Telephone Labs developed a statistical chart for the control of product variables, the beginning of SQC and SPC. In the same decade, H.F. Dodge and H.G. Roaming of Bell Telephone Labs developed statistical acceptance sampling instead of 100% inspection. In 1946, the American Society for Quality Control was formed. In 1950, Edward Deming, who learnt SQ from the Showa, taught SPC and SQC to Japanese engineers and CEOs. So these were the mainly quality control इंस्पेक्टर्स जिन्होंने हमें ये बताया था कि हम किसी भी प्रोडक्ट की क्यूसी कर सकते हैं, मतलब हम ये जान सकते हैं कि हमारी प्रोडक्ट कैसी है और इसको यूज़ करने से हमारे ऊपर क्या इफ़ेक्ट होगा। जैसे जब हम शॉप्स पे जाते हैं, हम डिफरेंट जैसे ब्यूटी की चीज़ें इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो उसमें क्या होता है, उसके पीछे इंस्ट्रक्शन, या खाने पीने की भी चीज़ें यूज़ करें तो उसके पीछे इंस्ट्रक्शंस होती हैं कि हम कैसे क्वालिटी कंट्रोल को मेंटेन करेंगे। ये आप जैसे देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है द बिगनिंग्स ऑफ क्वालिटी कंट्रोल, कि क्वालिटी कंट्रोल जो है वो रेवोल्यूशन में कैसे आई थी। बेसिकली इंडस्ट्रीज ने जब काम करना शुरू किया था, व्हेन द इंडस्ट्रीज वर लॉन्च्ड इनटू दी वर्ल्ड, जब वर्ल्ड के अंदर इंडस्ट्रीज ने काम करना शुरू किया था, जब इंडस्ट्रीज रेवोल्यूशन में आई थी, फैक्ट्रीज ने काम करना शुरू किया था, कंज्यूमर्स की नीड्स को फुलफिल करना शुरू किया था। सो आफ्टर दैट द क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इनोवेशन बिगेन। क्वालिटी कंट्रोल बेसिकली, क्वालिटी क्या होती है? क्वालिटी that we have discussed in our first and second slide, we will be discussing about the quality, that how we maintain the quality when we are making a product, how to maintain the quality, how to check the quality, is the product which we are making is sufficient for the customer to be utilized or not. Here are some quality control tools that when we are checking the or inspecting the product, what point should we maintain to check out the quality control. So the first one is checklist, fishbone diagram, chart, stratification, Pareto chart, and histogram. Checklist. When we are making a product, there is some list within ourselves that what we require for the making of the product. Fishbone diagram, basically it contains all the manpower, machine tools which are being utilized for the making of the product. Then control chart, that if there is any problem when we are making a product or when we are checking it, how to maintain that problem, how to solve that problem, or how to correct that problem. Then stratification means that how to identify the problem area, that what is the part in which we are facing the problem. Then the Pareto chart, that how the problem was caused and how we can maintain that. Then histogram basically is the graphical chart which detects the problems within the product. So at the end of the topic, a quality control inspector uses one or more of the available tools or methods to do a complete analysis of a product or service to determine where improvements can be made. An inspector typically gets training to know what method to use and how to properly use it. So the quality control inspector is the one person who oversees the quality control part within the product, and ये उसके ही हाथ में होता है कि वो quality control tools को कैसे utilize करता है. So these were the two topics we will be discussing today. If you have any queries about that, you can You can ask. Hope to see you soon. Allah Hafiz.